What? Another Aston?
This one's gonna be fun.
What are we doing in this one?
Full wrap.
What color are we wrapping this?
Yeah, he saw my car. He's like, what is this? Satin black. I want this.
So before we actually start wrapping this thing, we are in the process of taking things apart that need to be taken apart to get a nice clean wraparound. Removing these badges, this chrome trim, and even these lights here. So we got the trim off, the badging. We had to take off the tail light. You guys saw that trim I was showing you guys earlier? Most of the time, that's plastic. These are not plastic. These are actual full, solid metal pieces just for the trim. Isn't that crazy? Because I mean, it shows the quality, right?
You're about to see me fully glass right here.
That looks so good. I taught you so well.
Moments later. More moments later. Just then.
We are finally done working on this Aston Martin DBS. As you guys originally saw, the car was entirely this silvery gray color. It is now super sporty, satin black, all the way around. From the front bumper to the back bumper, everything has been wrapped. The hood, the fenders, the bumper, the roof, rear, even the door handles. And to do as clean of a job as we possibly can, we removed everything that we could, like the headlights, the trim pieces, the badges, even the vents on the hood, just so that we can minimize as much of the seams as possible so it looks as clean as it can. We even wrapped the middle of the taillights that were once color matched gray to the rest of the car. It's all about the details, you know? The satin black definitely sets the car apart from the rest and makes the chrome trims pop even more. And to top the whole thing off, we ceramic coated the entire thing. Cleaning and washing the car will be so much faster now. Overall, I'm really happy with how this project turned out. Color looks good, car looks good, the client's gonna be happy. If you guys want to do the same thing to your car, you know where to find us. Hit us up.